On what's been a very, very choppy session, actually. So let's start wrapping this up. As we said, it's been all about this 130, 140 point range. For what it's worth, the Nifty is going home with a 70-point win. But the bank Nifty is showing absolutely no sign of direction, absolutely flattened out. Midcap index is also flat, but that's a good thing because midcap index was falling a lot more just about an hour ago. If we talk about the Nifty, today's winners include Tata Motors and TCS, so the duo from the Tata stable doing well. IndusInd Bank was the best performer in the banking pack. But then on the flip side, you have a SBI, which has exerted lots of downside pressure today. And then you have some other moves and shakers. Titan had a good session, L&T, Bharti, Airtel. These are some of the stocks on the upside. Pharma actually had a decent day. Cipla, Sun Pharma. These are some stocks that saw some green, but extremely mixed trends today.
Right. The mid-cap end of things, when we started, we had more stocks advancing than the number of stocks that were declining. But towards the end, rather sometime in the middle of the session, we did see that crisscross line overturn. And we end with close to 1450 stocks on the red side with 850 stocks in the green side itself. Among the top losers, we had Hero Finance, which was down, a sharp fall that we saw in the last hour of trade with fair amount of volumes. NMDC was the other one, which is down 4%. We saw a cut in Indiabulls Housing Finance as well. Vodafone Idea, ahead of the outcome of the board meet on fundraising, saw some money being taken off the table after a big move that we've seen in the last couple of months itself. In the PSU pack, we did see some, declines in names like REC, PFC, HPCL, IOC, etc. But the stocks that were gaining, we had Havells did well, Intellect Design did extremely well, ABB and Trent, all of them were among the top gainers, Nigel.
Just in the final few minutes of trade, I think we had large trades taking place on Pyramid Pharma. So we'll be interested to see who exactly with that. I think it's close to 2 million shares that did change hands towards the end. So Pyramid Pharma could be a stock to track as well. For the time being, though, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. Markets Forward comes up next.